Out! Out! You foul spirit of deafness! Out! Help her. Now I want to pray for those that have issues that requires the attention of heaven. I don't care how long the medical condition has been. I serve a God. I have seen him raise the dead before. I have seen him cause the cripple to walk before. I have seen growth disappear before. The hand of the Almighty. I stand upon those testimony and I say, wherever you are, take your healing. Take your deliverances. Take. I declare, let kidney stones disappear. Let kidney stones disappear. Let brain conditions healed. The hand of the Almighty. Let brain conditions be healed. Be healed in your bodies. Let heart conditions, heart conditions, heart conditions, heart conditions. I declare healing. I declare healing. I declare healing. Healing. I'm seeing a lady. You have issues in your heart. I declare unto you, healed now. I'm seeing somebody with issues in the ear. I command that foul spirit of deafness out. Out. You foul spirit of deafness out. Help her. You foul spirit of deafness. You foul spirit of deafness out. I'm seeing somebody. I'm seeing somebody now. It's a dumb spirit. The person is dumb. I don't know whether you are here or you are not. By the same power of his resurrection, I confront that demon. Out now. Wherever you are, whether you are watching online or you are here, begin to speak. Start speaking now. Your tongue is loosed. Your speech becomes clear. Your tongue is loosed. Your speech becomes clear. Oh, my garments are here. Oh. My garments are here. Oh. I'm seeing somebody with issues in the ear. I command that foul spirit of deafness